Every girl, every woman want to have their makeup looking nice and amazing. They want to look flawless. They want to look cute, demure. All right. So thank you guys for joining my today's video. I'm Lucky Slay. I'm a content creator. I love doing makeup, and today I'm here telling you the secret to cute and amazing makeup. Are you ready? Do you want to hear about this? Sit down, relax, and enjoy. So, guys, what are the main steps of achieving a nice looking makeup? Of course, number one is what we call cleansing. What? What do we mean by that? You need to cleanse your face. You need to make sure you don't have dust. You don't have any dirt on your face when it comes to nice, flawless makeup. You need to take good care of your skin. By cleaning, you can do scrubbing, you can do everything that you can do for your face. You can do steaming and all that. And then you make sure there are no products left on your skin. So the makeup, the face will be left clean, waiting for you to apply the makeup. And then there is a product we call toner, of which is not compulsory. So when it comes to having nice looking makeup, it's not about applying million of products on your face. No. It's about using what your face needs. What does it need? So you need to get to understand your skin. Get to understand which is your skin type. Are you a dry skin, a normal skin, or combination? All that you need to get to understand what your skin type is. You just don't apply a product because you're someone advertising the product and they are looking nice. Some of these videos, some of these pics are edited. So you need to work with what works best on your skin. So that is toner, which is not compulsory for me. I don't use that. Okay. So the other product is make sure you have a moisturizer. Wow. Very important. Okay. A moisturizer is to keep your skin lovely, lively. Okay. So whichever moisturizer you choose, you go for that. Whichever moisturizer is working for your skin, go for that. It doesn't matter whether you're using a milking jelly, as long as it's working on your skin and it's making your skin look moisturized and well hydrated, just go for that. And then another thing, to moisturize, also make sure you are hydrated when it comes to taking a lot of water. If you want a smooth looking skin, drink water, love water, and these are going to start working for you so that you can remove the toxins in your body. Those products, the excess chemicals in your body, you need to remove them. Yeah. All right. Another important product is have a sunscreen. Baby girl, you need a sunscreen, especially when you're heading out. Very important. Very important, because you need to protect your skin from the harsh sun rays. You need to really protect your skin from that. If you cannot be able to, if you're working, you're going outside, just make sure you have a sunscreen. Not unless you're working in a building, you're not going outside, you're all inside the house. Well and good. That's good for you. But you need a sunscreen, right? The other product that is very important so that it can make your makeup look nice and amazing, it's a primer. When it comes to primer, it helps blending the foundation. It helps the foundation blend nicely, look amazing and cute. So a primer, very important also, though it's not like I'm insisting on that. That one, if you can afford it, just go for it. But it helps when you're applying your foundation. It's like, you see, these walls, when they were applying this paint, they started using another paint first before they applied this so that the paint can look amazing and cute to hide the holes, the roughness, and all that. So it helps bring the shiny glow. Okay, so you need that if you can afford it. All right, so the next thing is, of course, the foundation, the concealer, whichever you choose to do on your skin. There are those who use concealer as the foundation, but you need that. That's what's gonna give you the glow, the shine, okay? The final look, the amazing look, what you're looking for, that cute face that you want. Of course, it's not like we don't love how we look, but it's to make ourselves look better, okay? Yeah, improve how we look. It's not like we are having low self-esteem, but it's all about slaying, looking amazing, and improving your standards, of course. When you have a nice, well done makeup, you get respect. Everybody will be like, wow, she look cute. The makeup is looking nice. It was well blended. The eyeshadow is dope, okay? So you need that, guys. Is there another thing? Of course, when you're applying the makeup, make sure you blend everything nicely. Make sure the products you're using, they're well blended, they're flawless, they're no creases forming for you to have that amazing look. Of course, you need to practice. If it is about your eyebrows, how do you want to shape them? It's not like a one day practice. You need to keep practicing, and you need to sketch the eyebrows, you conceal them, and so that you can look amazing. For the eyeshadow, you need proper blending, especially when you're using more than 2 shades or 3 shades. Baby girl, you need to blend. Okay? Yeah, let me check mine. I'm just talking about makeup and I don't know how I'm looking. Okay? So you need blending and all that. You need to look cute and amazing. So, baby girl, make sure you follow the steps that I've given you, and I know these things are gonna be okay on your side. So make sure you try the steps and tell me on the comment section what was the results. How did you go about it? Yeah. If you have problems with your skin rashes, take control of that. Work on that. Yeah. Before you start applying products on your face, just control the pimples and all that. Because when you have pimples and then you want to apply makeup, baby girl, it's not gonna be flawless. Okay. So if you have dark spots and all that, there are those products that are used to hide the dark spot and all that. The color corrector. Do a research on that, guys. And I hope you be here each and every day. I upload a video for you to learn more. Thank you, baby girl, for watching. I hope to see you during my next video. Bye. Have a nice time. Thank you.